Oh, there we are, guys. The perfect pan-seared salmon with honey garlic butter sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. This is a super easy salmon dish to make at home. Expensive to eat out in a restaurant, dead easy to make. In fact, it's so simple. So we're going to make a pan-seared salmon with a honey garlic butter sauce. So easy, come on, let's do it. Okay, this is one of those really simple dishes to make, you know, and it's so expensive to eat out, but it only takes minutes to cook. Flame on, and as per usual, we're making a butter sauce, so in with some butter. Now, you want a good 3 tablespoons of butter in there, you know. We're making a butter sauce, so there's no point putting 1 tablespoon of butter in. And then all we need to do is take our salmon and put it skin side down. And just hold it down for about 10 seconds. The salmon buckles up. Now we don't want the salmon to buckle up, we want it to lay flat. There we are. So we're going to give this salmon a couple of minutes on this side. It'll start to go opaque, it'll come up the side. And then what we'll do is we'll turn it, have a peek underneath. If it's brown underneath, we will turn it. So what we need to do is take that sneaky peek underneath. Oh, that's browning up quite nicely. Just another 30 seconds or so and we'll turn this salmon over. Now there's no point adding any more seasoning to this, you know. We've salt and peppered the salmon. That is all it needs. It doesn't need anything else. All these people who chuck paprika and jerk seasoning and everything else over there, they either don't like the taste of salmon or they don't know how to cook. You know, salmon, salt and pepper, enough. You know, you need that salmon flavour, and salmon is not very strong. So you want that flavour to come out of there. Okay. So let's turn our salmon over. Perfect. Right, what we need to do now is we need to go in with our garlic. Put our garlic in round there. We're not cooking this on a high flame. We are cooking the rawness out of the garlic. Now, white wine is optional, but we can go in with a splash of white wine, and that will kill off the burning of the garlic. In with our lemon juice. Now, what we need to do, again, this is optional. We're not making a soy salmon, but soy sauce in this dish adds a umami, salty flavour, which is fantastic. Now, we don't want much. We just want a little bit of soy sauce. Give that a little mix in there. Now that smells marvellous. And then we're making a honey sauce. So we want to go in with about 4 tablespoons of honey. So give that a little stir in there. You know, this is a really easy sauce to make, guys. You know, people make a real song and dance about cooking stuff like this, but it's really easy. Oh, that is wonderful. Now that's what we're talking. Now we've got this beautiful glaze going on in there. Come on, spoon it over the top. Oh, fantastic. Now, if you're uncertain, guys, about cooking the salmon all the way through, you know, put a lid on. Get the lid on there and cook it for about 2 minutes only. No more than that, take the lid off. And the salmon will just have that just doneness in the middle. Perfect salmon. Okay, lid off. And then what we need to do, we need to take our salmon out of there to rest. Oh, that is perfectly cooked. Take our salmon out. Oh, look at that, baby. Right, you can turn the flame up a little bit if you want, and we can start to thicken this sauce up. Again, take it down as much as you want. Up to you guys. Whilst we're thickening this, in with our parsley. And our parsley will rehydrate in there. Now we're using dried parsley, obviously. You can use fresh if you so wish. Now we're trying to make a little thicker glazed sauce if we can. Flame off. I can feel that that's thickened up quite nicely. So let it settle a little bit and all these bubbles will disappear back into the sauce. Don't worry about these bubbles. And there you go. Now we have a fantastic honey butter sauce. Just look at that. All we need to do now, guys, is serve it up. Oh, there we are, guys. The perfect pan-seared salmon with honey garlic butter sauce. There we are, guys. Perfect pan-seared salmon. Oh, just look at that. Oh. Holy heck. Guys, that is a perfect pan-seared salmon. Honey garlic sauce, absolutely fantastic. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. Man, that is amazing.